No, I found another one. Oriental is scary. Body massage 1 hour is $65. What a nice Thai restaurant. Whose bicycle is that? Look at that. These are the Thai statues with the scriptures. The Home Park Yong and then the tiger. There's a feng shui shop called Yimai Xiangchen, and these are the services. Naming. Look at this name. Tuning from Orchard Tower, Singapore. Today I'm going to check out whether Orchard Tower is still as dirty as it seems to be. So let's go. The time is 8 p.m. On the basement right now, nothing too striking at the moment. Oh, there's a TCM shop like that, massage. This is basically the food section. No, I found another one. Oriental is scary. Looks like some kind of carpet, right? With a cat there. Wow. I don't know, man. Oh, the price is how much? Body massage 1 hour is $65. Found something. Adult shop. And a full body massage. At level 4 now. Let's see what they have here. Thai restaurants, optical company. The pub that was used to be here is gone. They renovated or something. And now become more family friendly. Home for Christmas. Cafe Blossom. The top floor has become mostly restaurants now, but this is interesting. Oh, there's a massage laboratory. What a nice Thai restaurant. Personal training. There's a gym or something here. And not only that, Bite the Way Thai cuisine restaurant, but from the outside it doesn't look like a restaurant anymore. Oh, here is very nice. Hey, interesting. Alright, what is La Wei? Chinese cuisine. There's even the mango ice cream here. It's a lemon flavor. Now there's a funny restaurant. They call it the wealthy restaurant. 有才饭店. And they are live seafood. Okay. I think it's both. They are both sides of the store right here. Oh. Look at that now. Whose bicycle is that? There's one more shop here. Pasta. Look at the price of menu for the Thai food. $18 for Tom Yum, King Garlic 18. That's above the average food price of the food court, right? For Kopitiam. It's 2 to 3 times more. $10 for mango sticky rice. You can get it at like 20 baht, which is like 80 cents in Bangkok. So I can eat 13 servings of mango sticky rice, but here there's just one serving at $10, but maybe the quality is different. But then I always choose the freshest mango sticky rice from Bangkok. That reminds me of the trip to Thailand. We're arranging a new trip soon. I really miss the Thai food there. Pak Pao and Tom Yum Goong and much more. Level 3. Well, at level 3 now, there's a company called OC Cafe, wherever it is. Oh, there's a live bar design. You can learn Oracle and Tarot card reading. Chinese astrology, 八字 right here, by appointment only, and they have some kind of mystical figures. Hey, look at that. These are the Thai statues with the scriptures. The Home Park Yong and then the tiger. And more of them. It's just amazing. In the midst of all these shops, there's a special thing, the first class experience. Someone is doing the massage right now. Now, to get a better idea, let's look at the dietary. It used to be more shops here, but then it has like reduced to just a few shops now. Look at it, man. Wow, there's implement services right here in the new shop. Look at these things. Then the carpets. Look at the horse. And the carpet is really like long, over 2-3 meters, maybe 2 meters. Orientalist Gallery.